In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Southwest Airlines promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and search up Southwest Airline promo code and click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna head over to the first website, vthrift.com, and you're gonna click on it. So once you're there on the website, you're gonna see many promo codes, and they are for September 2023, so for this month. So the first one is 50% off the airlines, and as you can see, it was used almost 34,000 times, but the success rate isn't that high, so it might or might not work, but you can always give it a try. So all you have to do is click show code, which is automatically gonna copy the code. Then you can just head over to their website, choose an airline, and then use this code at checkout for a discount. There are many other codes you can go and give a try. For example, 25% off round trip base fares. So the success rate is 74, so it might work. And you can go ahead and explore many other promo codes. So there are 5. So yeah, you can go ahead and give them all a try. Now I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Next, I'm gonna head over to Coupon Follow, and I'm gonna see many codes here as well. So the first one is get a 30% off with this code, and 30GO is the code for getting the 30% off. So all you have to do is click copy, click continue to Southwest, which is going to take you to their website. You're going to go there and put this code at checkout. So there are other codes, for example 25% off instantly, and this is the code for 25% off. So same thing, copy and use it at checkout. You can go ahead and try many more here. So there are a lot here, more than the other websites. So yeah, so alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.